everyone. Let's start with a question that might sound a bit crazy. What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for fighting a major disease isn't a new pill or a high-tech device, but your next meal and your next walk? I'm talking about type 2 diabetes. For a long time, we were told it was a one-way street, a chronic, progressive condition you just manage for life. But here's the shocking fact from modern lifestyle medicine. For many people, type 2 diabetes isn't necessarily permanent. Clinical studies show that with intensive lifestyle changes, we can see blood sugar stabilize, and in some cases, the condition can even go into remission. The body can start using insulin properly again. Think about that. Reversing a disease we once thought was irreversible. The power to do that is built into our daily habits. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you. Here are 3 simple things you can do today to start improving your blood sugar. Thing number 1, make your plate 50% non-starchy veggies. At your very next meal, look at your plate. Half of it should be filled with foods like broccoli, spinach, peppers, zucchini, or a big salad. Why does this work? These veggies are packed with fiber, which acts like a traffic cop for your digestion. It slows down the rush of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those big spikes and crashes that make you feel tired and hungry. Thing number 2, take a 10-minute walk after you eat, especially after bigger meals like lunch or dinner. Get up and move for just 10 minutes. You don't need to run, just a casual stroll around the block or your house. Here's the cool part. When your muscles move, they literally pull sugar out of your blood to use for fuel. It's like giving your body a natural, immediate tool to lower high blood sugar. A post-meal walk is like sending in a cleanup crew. Thing number 3, swap 1. Sugary drink for water or sparkling water. This could be soda, a sweet coffee drink, or even a big glass of juice. Just pick one today and swap it out. Sugary drinks are like a sugar tsunami hitting your system, a huge amount of liquid sugar absorbed almost instantly, which is really tough on your body's blood sugar control. By cutting just one, you avoid that massive spike and give your pancreas a much-needed break. So to recap, fill half your plate with colorful veggies. Take a short walk after eating and dish 1 sugary drink. These aren't just random tips. They're direct, science-backed actions that use the core principles of lifestyle medicine, nutrition, and movement. You're not just managing a number, you're helping your body heal itself. The most shocking fact isn't just that reversal is possible, it's that you hold so many of the tools to make it happen, starting with your very next choice. What's one small, non-starchy vegetable you could easily add to your dinner tonight to try out that 50% plate rule?